Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. The wait is finally over. The OnePlus 11 was officially unveiled on January 4, 2023, and it's the latest flagship from the popular smartphone brand. OnePlus is known for delivering flagship-level specs at a fraction of the cost of its competitors, and the OnePlus 11 is no exception. With the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, up to 16 GB of RAM, and a triple camera system with Hasselblad branding, this phone has high aspirations. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the OnePlus 11. OnePlus 11 release date. The OnePlus 11 was officially announced in China on January 4th, and a global release is set to happen on February 7th. The OnePlus 11 will be available in the US. OnePlus 11 price. Although the global price of the OnePlus 11 is still unknown, based on its specs and OnePlus history, we can expect a price of around $899 for the base model. OnePlus 11 design and camera. The OnePlus 11 features a huge, round camera module with 3 sensors and the return of the alert slider to the left of the camera module. The triple camera setup includes a 50MP main shooter, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 32MP 2x zoom lens. On the front, we have a hole-punch selfie camera on the side. OnePlus 11 display. According to OnePlus, the OnePlus 11 has a 6.7-inch 1440p OLED display with a curved design, wide color gamut coverage, and a variable refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. OnePlus 11 color options. The 2 color options for the OnePlus 11 are green and black, each with a different feel and look. The green one is described as smooth and glossy, while the black one is more matte and less reflective. OnePlus 11 specs. The OnePlus 11 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, the Qualcomm Snapdragon X75G modem, and comes with 12 GB per 256 GB, 16 GB per 256 GB, or 16 GB per 512 GB memory combos. And that's everything you need to know about the OnePlus 11. This phone promises to deliver flagship-level specs at a fraction of the cost, and with its triple camera setup, powerful display, and return of the alert slider, it's sure to be a hit among OnePlus fans. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Until next time, take care.